In order to lighten the cables, we will need a soldering iron, a wet rag, some solder, wire, the fan, some heat shrink, lighter, tape, and wire strippers. First of all, we need to cut the wires. So pull them tightly, and with your wire strippers, cut them. I recommend cutting at least 2 to 3 inches up from the fan. Now we will have 2 sections, the fan section and the 3-pin section. Now with your wire strippers, cut off 1/4 inch of the sheet on the wires. Cut 6 pieces of heat shrink about 1 inch in length. Now take your wire strippers and cut 3 lengths of wire and remove 1/4 inch of the sheet from each. I cut mine to 1 foot in length. Next, take your heat shrink and place it over each wire on the 3-pin connector section and slide it all the way to the bottom. This prevents it from shrinking as we solder. Also, put the heat shrink on the fan section. Now, use some tape to hold down the 3-pin section. Now twist some of your 3-pin wire and your extension wire together. We need a good physical connection before we solder. Now tin your soldering iron by melting some solder onto the tip and then wipe it off on a wet rag. In my case, I use a sock. We do this to ensure even heat distribution. Next, take your soldering iron and heat up the bare wire. Next, apply some solder. A good solder connection will always end up shiny. I used too much solder. Next, slide your heat shrink over the solder connection and gently heat it up with a lighter until it shrinks. There is no need to touch the flame to the heat shrink. Now using these methods, solder the extension cable to the 3-pin connector. Now this is what we have. Now solder the 3-pin section to the fan, making sure that all the wires are soldered to its corresponding color. Red to red, black to black, and yellow to yellow. Now we have the end result. Let's see if it works. So now it's connected to my computer, and as you can see, it works. So there we have it. A fan with extended cables. I hope this tutorial really helped you. Thanks for watching.